Hey, what's going on? 2cwik4u coming to my next video. As you see in the title, I picked up my trakpower tk-950. Yep, hobby shop called me, said your special order is in. I ran right over there and picked it up. Yep, real happy, real happy. I've been wanting one of these for a long time now. Really cool. I was going to order it on eBay because I didn't think my local hobby shop could beat their price. They actually matched their price, and like I told my buddy Jeremy, I'm willing to pay for the tax through buying it through the local hobby shop. You know, I'll pay the $5, $6, $7 difference rather than, you know, picking it up on eBay. So here's the stickers. You have to put the stickers on yourself, which, you know, me and stickers, I love stickers. Here's the actual soldering wand. Let me pull that out. There it is. This is with the flat tip, and then the tips are removable, and then it also comes with a point tip as well for fine soldering. So next they got the Allen key, which actually I was about to say I need to find out what that is for, but I remember what it's for now. It's to it has a thermostat. It's programmable on what heat you want to run it at. You could, once you find the heat you like to solder at, you could actually lock the knob down so it can't be moved at that point. Let me pull out the stand. Oh, nice and weighty. Nice and weighty. You get my trusty razor blade. Cut this open real quick. I want to check this out. I know, you know, there's plenty of these unboxings on YouTube already, but hey, this is my unboxing, right? So there it is. Wow, that's solid. You can hear it. That's metal. Then the little foam pad. Gotta get it wet still, of course. Gotta cut that open. Yeah, I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, I'm pretty excited, pretty pumped. So there's that foam pad. Holds it nice and well. It's not going to fall out of there. That's a good thing. You don't want a hot iron falling out of the kettle. But as you can see, you know, no stickers. Still got to be applied, like I said. And last but not least, yeah, let me get that out of the way, is soldering iron itself. Trakpower. Give me 1 minute. Alright, so there it is. Got the wrap put on, all the stickers put on. Real happy. I really like the look of this one, but from what I've seen and what I've heard, this is supposed to be a performer as well as looks. So there it is. As you see, it does go up to... that's not going to focus on that, is it? No. Well, it says 896 degrees and goes up to. Yeah. Real sweet trakpower tk-950. So, if you're looking for a soldering station, I highly suggest that one. This one right here. Like I said, I've been wanting this one for a long time. Just hadn't had the freed up money, and really didn't have the freed up money. Just took it out of what I've been saving for my max amps battery. But I got it now, so any soldering I need, the job will be done. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video. Talk to you guys later. Peace.